Hi, we're building the ZenRPA Triager for JIRA. From working with many product teams in the past, we found issue triage to be the most impactful yet the most inconsistent process. It often falls prey to the loudest voice in the room, especially in a B2B context. So we designed a delightful issue triager tool in JIRA that helps product teams triage faster and fairer to make maximum impact. We can see this icon tells us that we have yet to triage this ticket. So we're going to go ahead and do that. What this is doing is asking me a series of questions about the issue, bringing the relevant data in from my own systems, and I'm answering it like I would on TurboTax. Now you can see we're going to answer this question about priority. So I'm going to answer it. And you can see we set up a rule ahead of time so that we can only have 3 active P1 priorities. So I'm going to demote one of these previous P1 tickets, which conforms to my process. And that marks this one as P1, and all updating the issue tickets as we speak. And we're done. So while interviewing product teams and showing them our app, we quickly learned that they had such different triage processes that we needed to make it really easy for them to build their own process. So we also shipped this no-code app builder that they can use to build this JIRA app. So let's walk through an example of what building your own triage process looks like. First, we might want to display the ACV, which is the annual contract value for the customer described in the JIRA issue. So we'll first hook up Salesforce, because we'll look up the ACV from the customer. So we got an example response to work with, and we'll call this query 5. And then we'll want to display the ACV within the app. Then we'll have the app ask the PM whether or not the ACV is in the range of a strategic account. And it's a simple yes or no question. So we'll have actions that the PM can take, which is basically answering yes or no, making the actions very quick. We'll even name the app. We can then add other pages to this triage process, and they can chain them together to make it really simple question and answer triage flow, just like TurboTax does for your taxes. One click is all it takes to deploy this into JIRA. So speaking of your TurboTax, the deadline is in 2 days, and we hope you filed. Take care.